Hello everyone, this is Karthik Dwivedi and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Python Tutorial with Beast. In previous video we have seen about print function, and in this session we will going to learn about escape sequences. So without wasting any time, let's start. Open your IDE, press Ctrl N to open a new file and write escape sequences. Now, what are escape sequences? Before knowing that, in previous session, that is in print function, we have seen that we used various quotes: double quote, single quote, triple quote. Now, think about writing double quote inside single quote. Yes, I am serious. Print double quote Python Beast, and I want that tutorial should print in single quote. Then I'll put single quote, yes, and just save it. Escape sequences.py. To get an output, press function F5, and yes, we got tutorial in single quote. Now again, if we want to use double quote inside single quote, what we will do? Let's try that also. Print single quotes Python tutorial with Beast, and I want tutorial in double quotes. Yes, it is working also. But what if we want to use single quote inside single quote and double quote inside double quote? Here the use of escape sequences comes. Print single quote Python Python tutorial with Beast, and a tutorial I want in single quote. Control S, function F5. See, invalid syntax have came. Yes. To cure this invalid syntax, we use escape sequences. And again a question arises, how? Just put a backslash before this single quote, and so after this and one after L, and just again save it and run it. See, our tutorial came in single quote. Using these kind of symbols, you can say in a raw language, we see it as we are using escape sequences, right? The same problem arises when we use double quote inside double quote. Print double quote Python tutorial Beast. Again just save it and try to run. Again invalid syntax have came. To cure this, again we have to use backward backslash right here and backward backslash right here. In escape sequences, this whole backward backslash and a double quote is called as a escape sequence. Yes, escape sequence, whose meaning is to use double quote inside a double quote. This type of sequences we have to use. There are many more other also escape sequences that we will see in this session. First of all, let's save it and run it. See, okay. Now, what are other various escape sequences? First, to use backslash in a Python, we have to use double backslash. Yes. To use backslash n as a normal text, again we have to use a backslash. Don't worry, we will see to it every escape sequence one by one. Similarly for backslash t, we have to put again a backward backslash. Yes. For octal value, like for octal value, for hexa values, for backspace, like this, we again have to use a backslash. Don't worry, let's see one by one. Suppose I want backslash n as a normal text inside my statement, like this: print Python backslash n tutorial with beast, like this. Python backslash n tutorial with beast. I want it as a single statement. Does it will gonna come as a single statement? Let's see first. Just save it and run it. See, a line has been broken. After Python tutorial with beast have came in another line. This is what? This is the predefined in Python, that backslash n provides a new line to a particular statement. To print as a normal text, we again have to use backward backslash, right? Just again save it and run it. See, backslash n have came in a single line, and with the text Python tutorial with beast, we have backslash n also. Yes. And what about backslash t, that is tab? Let's see. Print Python backslash t tutorial with beast. Just run it. See, it gave a one tab difference between Python and a tutorial. Again, to print backslash t as a normal text, just use backward backslash and just save it and run it. See, again we have got backslash t with this statement. Yes. So in today's tutorial, what we learned? We learned that to use various predefined sequences like backslash n, backslash t, backslash b as a normal text, we have to take help of escape sequencing. This concept is known as escape sequencing, right? So this session was all about the escape sequences. Escape sequences is nothing. In a raw language, you can say to use a particular desired text that has a predefined meaning with the Python, you have to use a backward backslash. Simple. This is a raw language. So I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please do subscribe it, do share it, and do like it. So be with me in next session. We will see all about strings. Yes. So till then, goodbye. Take care.